Ladies and gentlemen, our eyes are not just organs of sight. They are the windows through which we experience life, love, and the beauty of creation itself. Yet as the years pass, many of us quietly accept fading vision as an unchangeable part of aging. But what if I told you that nature has already provided us with powerful remedies, hidden in simple fruits, to help restore clarity and protect these sacred windows of the soul? Tonight, I invite you to discover 7 remarkable gifts from nature that can awaken, repair, and renew your vision, beginning with the food on your plate. Blueberries are one of the most powerful fruits when it comes to protecting and enhancing eye health, especially in seniors. They are packed with anthocyanins, which are natural plant compounds responsible for the deep blue color of the fruit. These anthocyanins act as strong antioxidants, helping to shield the delicate structures of the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. As we age, our eyes become more vulnerable to damage from stress, inflammation, and environmental factors like UV rays and pollution. Blueberries provide a protective barrier by neutralizing these harmful effects and supporting the long-term health of the retina. One of the remarkable benefits of blueberries is their ability to improve night vision. Research has shown that the anthocyanins in blueberries enhance the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that is essential for seeing in low light conditions. This makes blueberries particularly valuable for seniors who often struggle with adjusting their vision in dim environments, such as driving at night or moving from bright to dark rooms. Blueberries are also linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of vision loss among older adults. By improving blood circulation to the eyes and reducing inflammation in retinal tissues, they help maintain sharp central vision for longer years. Additionally, blueberries contain vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, which contribute to overall eye wellness and support healthy blood vessels in the retina. Regular consumption of blueberries, especially when included as part of an evening diet, can provide ongoing nourishment for the eyes. Their natural sweetness and ease of digestion make them a comfortable fruit choice before bedtime, ensuring that the body continues to repair and rejuvenate vision while resting. Oranges are among the most beneficial fruits for maintaining strong and healthy vision in seniors. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting the eyes from age-related damage. As the body ages, the lens and surrounding tissues in the eyes become more susceptible to oxidative stress, which can accelerate conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin C in oranges helps neutralize harmful free radicals, slowing down the wear and tear of eye structures. This fruit also supports the formation of collagen, an essential protein that maintains the integrity of the cornea and other connective tissues within the eyes. With stronger collagen levels, the eyes retain their flexibility and structural support, reducing the risk of deterioration in vision quality. Oranges further contribute to healthy blood vessels around the retina. By strengthening capillary walls and improving circulation, vitamin C ensures that the eyes receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, which are necessary for optimal functioning. In addition to vitamin C, oranges contain small amounts of other vital nutrients such as vitamin A, potassium, and folate. Vitamin A plays a supportive role in maintaining the corneal surface and assisting with clear vision in low light. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance within the eyes, preventing dryness and irritation that are common concerns for older adults. Folate aids in cellular repair, which supports the regeneration of eye tissues over time. Regularly eating oranges, particularly in the evening, can give the body time to absorb these nutrients while resting. The fruit's natural hydration properties also help prevent dry eyes during the night. With their refreshing taste and rich nutritional profile, oranges act as a natural shield, protecting and nourishing the eyes in ways that directly support long-term vision health. Kiwi is a small fruit with an impressive nutritional profile that makes it especially valuable for seniors looking to maintain strong vision. One of the key nutrients found in kiwi is vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in safeguarding the eyes from oxidative stress and cellular damage. This antioxidant activity helps protect delicate eye tissues from deterioration caused by aging and environmental exposure. But what truly sets kiwi apart is its rich content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful carotenoids that are concentrated in the retina, particularly in the macula, the area responsible for sharp central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural filters for harmful blue light that enters the eyes from digital devices, artificial lighting, and sunlight. By absorbing excess light energy, these carotenoids protect retinal cells from oxidative damage. For seniors, this is especially important, as prolonged exposure to blue light can accelerate age-related macular degeneration, one of the most common causes of vision loss in older adults. Consuming kiwi regularly helps maintain high levels of these protective pigments in the eyes, strengthening natural defense systems and supporting clearer vision. Kiwi also provides a significant amount of vitamin E and other antioxidants that improve blood circulation to the eyes. This circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach retinal tissues efficiently, supporting their ability to function properly. Additionally, the high fiber and potassium levels in kiwi promote healthy blood pressure, which indirectly benefits ocular health by reducing strain on the delicate blood vessels within the eyes. Its natural sweetness and easy digestion make kiwi a convenient bedtime fruit for seniors. Eating it before rest allows the body to absorb and utilize its nutrients during the night's repair cycle. With its combination of antioxidants, carotenoids, and essential vitamins, kiwi provides comprehensive nourishment to preserve and protect vision. Papaya is a tropical fruit that offers exceptional support for eye health, particularly in seniors who may experience age-related changes in vision. One of its most notable features is its rich supply of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining the cornea, the clear front surface of the eye. Adequate vitamin A intake helps prevent conditions such as dry eyes, corneal ulcers, and night blindness, which are common issues as the eyes age. Papaya also contains beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which the body converts into the nutrient as needed, ensuring a steady supply for ocular function. This fruit is also abundant in antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds protect the retina from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can accelerate the onset of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. By reducing oxidative damage, papaya supports the preservation of sharp central vision and the ability to see clearly in different lighting conditions. Another important benefit of papaya is its role in improving blood circulation and supporting collagen production. Collagen is vital for the structural integrity of the eye, particularly in maintaining healthy corneal tissue and the tiny blood vessels that nourish ocular cells. The presence of folate and potassium in papaya further enhances blood flow, reducing the risk of pressure-related problems such as glaucoma. Papaya is also rich in dietary fiber, which supports better digestion and nutrient absorption. For seniors, this means the eye protective vitamins and antioxidants present in papaya are more efficiently delivered to the body. Its natural sweetness and softness make it easy to consume in the evening, and its high water content helps prevent dehydration, which is often linked to eye dryness. Through these combined effects, papaya provides comprehensive nourishment for healthier, more resilient vision. Bananas are a simple yet powerful fruit that provide multiple benefits for eye health, especially in seniors. One of their most valuable contributions is their supply of vitamin A, which plays a key role in maintaining clear vision and keeping the cornea healthy. Without adequate vitamin A, the eyes can become more vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and difficulties in low light conditions. By including bananas in the diet, seniors can help ensure a steady intake of this essential nutrient, which supports long-term visual clarity. Another important nutrient found in bananas is potassium. This mineral is crucial for maintaining the body's fluid balance, and it directly influences the moisture levels of the eyes. Seniors often struggle with dry eyes due to reduced tear production, and potassium helps keep eye tissues hydrated and functioning properly. It also supports the function of the optic nerve, which carries visual information from the eye to the brain. Healthy nerve function is essential for processing sharp and accurate images. Bananas also contain vitamin C and a modest amount of vitamin B6, which together aid in improving blood circulation to the eyes and reducing oxidative stress. Good circulation ensures that nutrients and oxygen reach the retina and surrounding tissues efficiently, while antioxidants protect cells from age-related damage. The presence of fiber in bananas further supports better absorption of these nutrients, ensuring that the body can make full use of what the fruit provides. Because of their soft texture and natural sweetness, bananas are easy for seniors to digest and enjoy as an evening snack. Eating them before bedtime provides a slow release of nutrients during rest, helping to support eye repair and rejuvenation overnight. Their balance of vitamins and minerals makes bananas a gentle yet reliable fruit for preserving healthy vision. Grapes are a nutrient-rich fruit that holds significant value in preserving eye health, particularly for seniors. One of their most powerful compounds is resveratrol, a natural antioxidant found in the skin of grapes. Resveratrol has been studied for its ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation within the eyes, two major contributors to vision decline with age. By lowering this cellular stress, grapes help protect delicate structures like the retina from early degeneration. The antioxidants in grapes also play a role in reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a condition that can develop in older adults with elevated blood sugar levels. Resveratrol supports better blood vessel function and prevents damage to the tiny capillaries in the retina. Healthy blood vessels are crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the eye tissues, keeping them functioning at their best. In addition, grapes contain vitamin C and vitamin K, both of which contribute to stronger ocular tissues and overall resilience against age-related eye conditions. Another important component in grapes is lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that act as natural filters against harmful blue light. With seniors spending more time on digital devices, these compounds help shield the retina from damage and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. The presence of polyphenols in grapes further enhances circulation, ensuring that the eyes remain well, nourished, and energized throughout the day and night. Grapes also offer hydration, as they are naturally high in water content. This helps combat dryness in the eyes, which is a common issue among older adults. Their natural sweetness and light texture make them an easy and refreshing evening snack. Consuming grapes before bed allows the body to absorb their protective compounds while resting, supporting the repair and renewal of vision during the night's natural healing process. Mangoes are not only delicious, but also one of the most supportive fruits for eye health, making them especially beneficial for seniors. They are packed with vitamin A, a nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining clear and sharp vision. Adequate vitamin A intake helps prevent night blindness, a condition that makes it difficult to see in low-light environments. This vitamin A also supports the health of the cornea, the transparent surface of the eye, which is essential for focusing light and producing clear images. In addition to vitamin A, mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A as needed. This ensures a consistent supply of the nutrient for eye function. Beta-carotene also acts as an antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress and protect eye tissues from damage caused by free radicals. This is especially important in seniors, where oxidative stress can accelerate the progression of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Mangoes also contain vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which work together to strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants support retinal health and improve circulation, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach sensitive eye tissues. The presence of lutein and zeaxanthin in mangoes further enhances their protective effect. These carotenoids act as natural filters for harmful blue light, reducing strain and shielding the retina from long-term damage. Their natural sweetness and soft texture make mangoes easy to eat and digest in the evening. With their hydrating properties and nutrient density, they deliver vitamins and antioxidants that the body can utilize during rest. Eating mangoes before bedtime provides steady nourishment, supporting the eye's natural repair cycle and contributing to stronger, healthier vision with consistent consumption. The eyes are among the most precious gifts we have, and protecting them becomes even more important as we grow older. By adding these 7 fruits, blueberries, oranges, kiwi, papaya, bananas, grapes, and mangoes, into your evening routine, you give your body the natural tools it needs to strengthen vision, fight age-related decline, and keep your eyesight clear for years to come. Each fruit offers unique nutrients that work together to repair, protect, and rejuvenate your eyes while you rest. I wish you all good health, sharper vision, and brighter days ahead. Thank you and good luck.